Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to upload photo to Tinder profile. So in order to upload photo to Tinder profile, you need to follow these simple steps. So first of all, what you need to do is open your Tinder account or the app itself and click on the profile initials from the bottom of the page. After which, what next you need to do is click on the profile right over here, and after which you could go ahead and click on the button. So what you could also do is here, instead of this, you could just go to the gear icon and then you want to make sure to scroll down a bit. So click on edit profile basically, and when you click on edit profile from that section, you could then go ahead and upload a photo. All you need to do is click on the plus button. You could either select a photo or maybe upload it from your library already. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure to enable the permissions first of all. And once you've enabled these options, you could then go ahead and upload the photo. You could either go ahead and take a selfie, or maybe you could just make sure to upload it from your gallery. So let's say this is the one. You could just tap on the next button and just follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you'll be able to upload a photo to Tinder profile. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.